Hey there, Kyle with Dirt Bike Channel. Just wanted to show you a little bit more of this ride that we went on a few weeks ago now, down in central Utah, I guess. Really popular riding location. Most of you probably know what this trail is. If you don't, send me an email and I'll tell you everything I know about it. Same thing that I do on all the other trails. And it's a little bit different perspective. So I have, this will probably be a 4 or 5 part series. This is part 3 essentially of this ride. And I have most of the trail actually here, covered with the drone footage and the point of view footage, but it's a different perspective than most people have seen for this trail. Super popular trail system, not for the faint of heart. It is not the most difficult trail I've ridden in Utah, but I mean, it's a very, very technical trail and a lot of fun. And we just went out there and just cranked this thing out, went out and then rode it backwards. Super fun to do it that way. I highly recommend it if you have the energy once you get to the end of the trail. So anyway, I'm gonna shut up now and let you guys just enjoy the amazing scenery out here on this ride. I've never seen any of this ever before because I've never been this far on this trail. So here's a dumb mistake that I plan on not doing again the next time I come down here. You're just supposed to stay on the painted line to the right, but my tire just kind of got bumped, and then I'm like, oh, I think I can make it, and no. It's too off camber. You can't really tell how steep a lot of this stuff is, and I should have just backed up and then followed the painted line, but I'm like, oh, I'll just come up here in this crack, and then I'll just punch it up out. And yeah. At this point, I'm totally out of riding shape at this point, and I'm gassed, and I'm like, so I just like, this is, and then I make a half-hearted attempt to like punch it up through here, and it doesn't work. So anyway, I have to reset, get the drone going again, and then we'll go ahead and take off. So that's a mistake I will not make, at least knock on wood. Hope I don't make the next time I go down there. check to make sure. we're still on the path. So this is where the fatigue sets in. You were supposed to stay left where that painted line is, but because I'm, out of shape and gassed at that point, then I'm off and I get stuck in this stupid line over here, and then you spend some energy trying to get yourself unstuck. So when you come to a location like this, and obviously if the obstacles don't come one after another, it's easier to keep good line choices. But that's the fun of this trail, is that it is just one after another. And some people say, well, it means you can't get into a good flow. I actually think it means that you do get into a flow. It's just a flow of nasty, and that has a quality all to itself. I love to be able to kind of continue to blip off things, though, like I just did back there. And there's a flow to this trail, and it's a lot of fun.
I got you.